Oh my god, it's good for beating your husband actually.
Maybe.
This dumbbell can make my body.
I think you should start with a 5 kg dumbbells.
Ma'am, how cute it is.
It's basically designed for a girls.
And one day definitely cycle wala yogi will appear like this. He will travel Faridabad to Leh Ladakh. This plan is mostly used by the mountaineers, and the cycle wala yogi is gonna to travel whole India just by cycle.
And that's why I will take.
Yeah.
So there is a robot is here, and you can ask anything. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sujay Ganon and welcome back to my channel Sujay Cycle Wala Yogi. And today I am very damn excited because you know that our Whale Talk Institute is going to organize a demonstration. And there are two batches. One is prime batch, other is laboratory group. And prime batch is going to become a seller, and laboratory will become like a customer. And there is a one shop that name is Lifelong, and this shop is related to our exercise product, and our respected capsule is going to organize, and he is director of the Whale Talk, and that is why we are today very damn excited. And please come with me and let's enjoy this video. Please come.
Hello.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Hello.
Yes, brother. Hi.
This is Avi Prasad.
What?
Avi Prasad.
I selected for you one dance.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yes.
Hey man, why are you buying that if it is not for us?
It is just for my small brother.
You are married?
No, not married, but it is just for my small brother. His age is around 5 years old. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, that's great.
Yes.
I think hey Shalu, you should
sir.
take him that pan. That's good for you.
Why, sir?
You'll make Maggie actually, right?
It is too heavy.
It's too heavy.
Yes, sir.
Please. Oh my god, it's good for beating your husband actually.
Maybe, sir. It will work.
Talk to her. Talk to her on this, right? Come on.
Okay. So ma'am, it is too heavy. And how can I use?
You can use for a cooking.
Okay. But it will take so much time, ma'am. It will take so much time.
For what?
It's total material is a cost and iron will not take a lot of time.
But ma'am,
Maybe it is better than.
But ma'am, you know it is so heavy. I think it
Yes,
will take
and-
1 hour to heat it.
Yes, sir.
Whole gas will be finished.
Iron
I think this is good.
This is good.
Yes. Talk to her.
And this is better than it.
because it's a steel and lightweight. So I can wait.
No.
Yes, you can buy.
So can only one body. Yes.
Single.
This dumbbell can make my body.
I think you should start with a 5 kg dumbbells.
If I will raise the 5
And how
kg
much
dumbbell,
it is? It is 1 kg.
sir, I will die if I will raise the 5 kg dumbbell.
No,
You should die.
Basically for a male body, it's starting for a 5 kg.
Okay, that I think firstly initially I have to start from this, and after that I can.
not work on you.
Okay.
Ma'am, how cute it is.
It's basically designed for a girls.
This is a smooth.
Discrimination.
This is a smooth, sir.
I think it's a huge discrimination actually. Why this girl? I mean, it is pink color, that's why.
This dumbbell is red, and I think ma'am the grip of this
Variety of dumbbells, sir.
the grip of this dumbbell.
Girls, they are also demanding in a
Pink color.
options. So, let's align
Government
Means
is
the
provide
girls
pink
are very
color.
enthusiastic.
How much for a price, sir? How much?
So actually, it is for 1,000 rupees.
It's a 4,000.
Oh my God!
I think you should leave this one.
What is this? Is Kalauta?
Rumal.
I'm asking about this.
I don't know what's that.
This is ankle weight for running purpose. If you are regular running
Athletics
purpose for a walking distance and increase your speed and weight, so you can use that.
We have to run.
How can we?
How to run?
How to use your legs,
Your
sir?
ankle. Basic.
अच्छा वो like this.
Athletics, sir. Athletics. Athletics person are all
It's not for you.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, to exercise. Chicken here, and that is why And here, this is a tent. If you someone is want to explore the all India by the cycle, any type of the
I want to tell you guys all this is the
mountaineer.
This land is mostly used by the mountaineers, and the cycle ala yogi is gonna to travel whole India just by cycle.
And that's why I will take.
Yeah, so he will. You can go inside this and this and
This is
also
sleeping
bags. A sleeping bags is also available in this inside this tent. Massages, bottles, camping bag, and all over things in this. Many
All over thing, all and here a helmet and all
different type of helmets available for the cycle wala yogi that he can use when he will ride his cycle.
Yeah.
He will travel whole India. Okay, now I want to
And different type of power bank is here.
available in this store. You can see there are lots of sports cycles
Yeah.
available for the cycle wala yogi.
Skating is also present here.
This is good for cycle wala yogi. This is also according to the height of cycle wala yogi. And I think what I think is this cycle will be very good for cycle wala yogi. A lot of different categories of cycle available in this store. I think that cycle, the color of that cycle is brown.
For the mountaineers who want to climb and explore they are challenging the sports and related to the mountain.
So yeah, guys. Also, you can see a cycle hanged on the grips. You can see that's very good cycle.
And here,
And one day definitely cycle wala yogi will appear like this. He will travel Faridabad to Leh Ladakh, and
and here is some bikes, sport things and
a lot of sports bags available in this store. You can see
different type of bike. And what is this?
this is very small. I think
and you can see here there is different type of the.
I think cycle wala yogi also should buy this type of skating. If he will bought this, it will very comfortable to ride down the mountains. The quality of this skating board is very premium.
Yeah.
So cycle wala yogi, will you bought in the future?
Yeah. of
After
course.
earning money
I'm
from the
interested in
YouTube?
This type of things.
No, but the first thing that you have to remind that I want to remind you that you have to use the safety kit.
Safety is first.
Hmm.
And here, what is this? This is
Treadmills. These are the treadmills.
And what is this?
Treadmill.
Treadmills.
On this you can run. You don't do. You can go on this because you already wear the shoes.
That is why we are saying that. And you can see. Oh, what
There are also lots of massages available in the store. If you will put your leg in this,
This is so comfortable.
on this you can sit normally. You can sit on this.
Yeah, this is so many.
Like if you will sit on this, you will put your legs inside this massager.
So there is a robot is here, and you can ask anything. He will apply according to the AI.
Okay. Now it's I think too late for us to go in the class. Now we will go from here.
We will be punished by that.